What's up guys, this is Yash. Welcome to this new video. It has been forever. I haven't posted anything and I really apologize for being lost for like about 2 months. So I was working on a project that I will be disclosing in the coming week and weeks, because there are 2 different projects I actually am working on, and it is going to benefit all of the family, the people those who subscribe to my channel and the people those who follow up on stuff. So first of all, before I hop into the video, I would like to tell you to consider subscribing if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're watching any video on my channel and you haven't watched a video before. All my videos in my channel rolls around marketing, e-commerce, and business related stuff, so do consider subscribing, because I try to bring in good content. I try to research good content so I could actually produce good content for you guys to watch. That being said, today's video is very simple, and I'm going to discuss about how to do Facebook tracking and why Facebook tracking is important. Number 1, you need to have your Facebook pixel installed in place. So what do I mean by Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is a code. It's a snippet of code that you install on the back end of your website. So every time someone clicks through or does whatever action on your website, Facebook tracks it for you, and then it uses it as a metric to give you information, so you know how many adds to cart, how many page views, how much leads you generated, and all of this cool information that you might lose otherwise, or you have to actually employ other ways of tracking that information. So Facebook pixel is very important because it actually advises Facebook about how the ad is doing, and the people that actually end up reaching your ads are doing, or whatever they're acting up on. So that's a very important tool. Use Facebook pixel. It is very easy to install if you're using Shopify, Magento. Most of them, they have made it super simple, super easy to run it through. So Facebook pixel is easy to install. I've also done a video which should be linked somewhere on this screen right now, or it will be the first link in the description. It has got a bunch of views and bunch of loves and likes, so do consider watching that video if you're not installed Facebook pixel before on your store and what it does for you. That being said, there's a second way that I also tell people to track. I'm not saying don't use Facebook pixel. You always want to use Facebook pixel in your Facebook ads, obviously when you're doing Facebook ads, but you also want to be sure. You do not want to 100% rely, because I personally don't. I do not personally rely on all the Facebook reporting. Is that 100% true? Or does it have all the information that I could actually rely back on? No, that's not true. So the other thing that I use is actually creating your own parameters. So I create my own I create my own URL followed by some information in that URL of that ad. So when you click on that ad, it takes you somewhere. What do you do over there? Like, which ad brought the person to that page? In order for me to see it on Google Analytics and see who is here because of which ad and what it was, I use these following steps. So let's jump into that, and let me tell you how to employ that into your ads. Okay guys, so we're right here. So I'm gonna pull up analytics over here for one of my pages that doesn't hold much value for me right now, but it's in the works. And the second thing is over here, this is a Facebook link. It's a Facebook link, facebook.com/business/Google Analytics, build your URL. This link is going to be the second link in the description. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page where you can mod out your URLs, so it brings in more information when it carries forward to your Google Analytics. I'm going to show you what I'm trying to say over here. You don't have to sign in Facebook to do this. So simply, I'm going to put in a link to one of my kind of like project websites, I would say. So that's the project website, right? So I'm going to take it, I'm going to try to open it over here. Once it opens, it's opening right over here. That you look on the corner, circle rolling, it's going to start bringing in traffic right here. Right there. You see, I'm right here in Sunrise. I'm right here in Sunrise, and I'm an active user. So it shows me just this little mark, right? This little mark means that I'm on the home page. So we want to change that. We want to switch that up a little bit. So we want more information to come in. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the same link right here. Put the source as Facebook, because we're getting that source as a Facebook. And you could be bidding at it. You could be CPC. So let's say cost per click, CPC. What is your campaign name? So I'm going to say campaign name is Facebook tutorial. Okay. And what is the campaign term? I could do whatever. I'm targeting male 45 and over. what is campaign content? Let's say white background images. White background, let me take the space off, background images. Create URL. That's it, boom. So right over here is the URL that I put right up here. Anything past that question mark is a parameter that actually Facebook is gonna use to actually leave in some information. So this link is gonna actually take me to the same page, same home page of the website, but it's gonna bring in so much more details. So how are we gonna test it? We're gonna copy this. So I'm gonna select this, hit Command C on Mac, Control C on your Windows computer. So we're gonna open the next tab. We're gonna take Command, paste it, hit Enter. While the page loads, we're gonna be on our analytics page and see what's going on. So we're gonna wait and look what it shows now. So there's a second person who came in right here. They're at the home page. Look, keyword, male 45 and over. That's where this person came from. So that gave us more information because it gives us the keyword, which is amazing and very necessary. It should actually give you social traffic source and referral. Most times it does it, but if you have your keyword running, you could actually do your reporting so much better because you know how many clicks and link clicks you really got through this, where they went, and what the funnel looked like with these keywords in place. So let's do another one. Let's just go callmealpha.com, Facebook CPC over here. Let's do 45 to 65. Let's say we're running an ad campaign. So sometimes you just want to do it this way, right? Hit create URL. Boom, you have it. You copy it. You go to the next tab, paste it, hit enter. Runs it, and let's see what happens here. Wait, and you're gonna see a bar start to pop up right here. Right there, we see the bar, and there's a new person who's propped up. There's your keyword. So now you have your information lined up on your Google Analytics. You exactly know where that person came from. So you're just not looking at people that are just doing different activities on your website. Instead, you're looking at people that came from what ad, visiting what page or what time. So that's amazing. So these are two ways I do recommend. So these are two different ways I recommend doing tracking while you're doing your Facebook ads, and it's very important to track what you do because then you can optimize, you can cut down costs on things which are not working out, a product which isn't doing good, an ad which isn't going good. So in order to know that, you need to know what it is actually resulting in. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know I'm a little rusty because I just came back from 2 months of not talking to the camera, but I'm gonna be getting good at it. Thank you so much for your support while I was gone. We got a bunch of more new subscribers. Thank you so much for adding on and liking and staying connected to the family. Thank you for so many likes on my other videos that I had posted, and appreciate you. Thank you so much. Looking forward to great content coming your way. I'm so excited. I have a board full of information. I'm just gonna show all the information that actually I have put up. All that information is gonna be new videos that I'm gonna be posting soon. Super excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Peace. Bye.